This upskill with Yennefer video will show you how to use the Analyze Data feature in Microsoft Excel. To use the Analyze Data feature, you will need Excel 365, Excel Online, or other recent version with the Analyze Data feature. This feature is a powerful tool that leverages artificial intelligence to help users gain insights from their data quickly. It can easily identify trends, patterns, and anomalies while offering visual summaries, trends, and pivot tables that can be easily inserted into your data analysis. This training will guide you through the steps to effectively use Analyze Data in Excel. Common use cases include sales analysis, customer insights, financial reports, and project management. It is best practice to prepare your data prior to using the Analyze Data feature. The data you want to analyze should be a clean data set, ready for analysis, with no empty rows or columns. It should be organized in a tabular format with clear, descriptive headers for each column. To begin, open your Excel workbook or worksheet containing the data you want to analyze. Double-check your data is organized in a tabular format with clear headers for each column. Then select the range of cells that contains the data you want to analyze. With the data range selected, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon and click on the Analyze Data option. In some versions, Analyze Data may also be under the Data tab. After you have clicked on Analyze Data, Excel will open a pane on the right side of the window displaying a series of insights about your data. You can scroll through the suggested insights to see different types of analyses, such as trends, outliers, and summary statistics. If you have specific questions that are not answered in the suggested insights, you can also ask a question. At the top of the Analyze Data pane, you can type questions in natural language about your data. For example, you could ask, "What is the average sales by region?" or "Show me the trend of sales over time." Excel will interpret your question and provide relevant answers, often accompanied by visualizations. For our sample data set, which is about dog breeds, we will ask which dog breeds have the least shedding value. In response to our question, Excel has provided us with the results in a table format and a way to insert this table into the worksheet. When you find an insight or visualization you like, or want to examine further, simply click the Insert button for that suggestion. Excel will add the selected chart or pivot table directly into your worksheet, allowing you to further customize and analyze it. You can then return to the original suggestions by clicking on the arrow in the question field. For our example, we are going to return to the results and select one of the original suggestions. This original suggestion appears to be correlating shedding values of breeds with energy levels. We can see that dogs with seasonal shedding have a noticeably higher energy level than other dogs. This is an interesting correlation we may not have otherwise noticed. Let's click Insert Pivot Chart to insert it into our sample worksheet and take a closer look. Excel inserted both a pivot table that we can drill down into if needed and a chart that can be used in a presentation. You can further customize your analysis by using Excel's native chart tools or pivot table options to tailor the insights to your specific needs. Let's recap and look at tips for the most effective use of the Analyze Data feature. Analyze Data is a powerful tool that uses AI to save you time and provide valuable insights from your data. For best results, ensure your data is clean and free of errors. Inconsistent or missing data can lead to inaccurate insights. Use descriptive column headers. This helps Excel understand the context of the data, improving the accuracy of the insights. When using the Q&A feature, be as specific as possible to get the most relevant answers. Don't rely solely on the first few suggestions. Explore all the insights provided to get a comprehensive view of your data. That's how you use the Analyze Data feature in Excel. Have fun analyzing your data. If you found this helpful, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for upskilling with Yennefer.